How do you take it when someone says that you are fat or thin? What is your usual reaction or response, and how do you handle that matter or situation? When someone comments on my physical appearance by saying, "Uy, tumataba ka na," my response varies depending on the context and relationship with that person. Of course, I'm also hurt when people say that I'm mataba. But I don't take it seriously. Minsan dinadaan ko na lang sa ngiti, sabay sabing masarap kasi magluto ang asawa ko kaya masarap kumain. Here are some strategies on how I usually handle such situation. Number 1, express feelings. Communicating calmly about how the comment makes me feel. It can be a challenge to confront weight bias, but it's okay to speak up when it happens. Start by telling someone that they have said out of the line. That's easier than done. But this is a situation that I have to advocate myself. Number 2, ignore and change the subject. Ignore and steer the conversation to a different topic. Number 3, reflect privately. Reflecting on the comment later helps me decide if I need to take action. These strategies help me handle comments about my body shape while preserving my mental health and self-esteem, and potentially educating others on the impact of their words.